In this recording, we are going to go through how to start the back of the Baja. To get started, we're going to just finish off the end of the front of the Baja. So this is currently the last row of the front. And once we finish that, we are going to place marker 5 in there because we will come back to that a little bit later. Alright, so we've just finished the front part, and as you can see, we've got the 2 front panels that go across the chest, that side and this side, and then the part in the middle is where we would come back later to do a panel. You can see the marker there, that would be 17 stitches across, and then we will start working down the back of the Baja. So we're just going to start right on stitch 17. Now here I do a single crochet, and then we'll do a half double crochet into the same stitch. So we're going to go through half the stitch to start our single crochet, and then into our half double crochet. Again into the same stitch as the single crochet, and I like to weave the ends in here so that I don't have much work to do at the end of my Baja. Okay, now we're just going to follow that down, doing half double crochet all the way down the back of the Baja, weaving that end in as I go. Okay, there's the first start of it. Now we can just continue to the rest, doing the rest. Alright, so following the pattern along, we're now at the end of the back of the Baja. So this part here, we're going to finish the last row, and then we're going to cast off. We won't be coming back to this part, as we will end up extending and going over there. So as you can see, we've got the back of the Baja, and then we've got the front of the Baja, and now we'll end up going back to row to the marker 5, and then work up that right side of the Baja. Thank you for watching.